This is Vijay here. Indian retail industry, it is one of the fastest growing industry in India. The consumption is the biggest growth driver for retail industry. Today I would like to discuss about one stock from retail industry, that is D-Mart. D-Mart is one of the fastest growing company in India. Supermarkets have been a successful business in India. D-Mart has strong presence in this segment. It started with a one store in Mumbai, but today they have more than 200 plus stores across the India, which is started by Radhakishan Damani in 2002, which is operated by Avenue Supermarts. Today, DMart enjoys 20% of market share in retail supermarket segment. The DMart, the vision is to offer a home product at a best possible prices to every Indian family. DMart sells some of the basics home and personal care products under one roof. The products are groceries, staples, daily essentials, dairy and frozen products, home and personal care product, home appliance, footwear, luggage, toys, games, plastic container, and clothes. If you look at the promoters, Radhakrishna Damani is the founder of DMart. He is the fifth richest man in India. He is the 98th richest man in the world. Mr. Radhakrishna Damani, he has started DMart in 2000. He is a good investor. That's why he is able to develop a good business. Warren Buffett says that I'm a good investor because I am a good businessman, and better businessman because I am an investor. Radhakrishna Damani is a good investor. That's why he is able to develop a good business. Mr. Damani, he is a promoter. He holds 75% of market share in DMart. When promoter is an investor, then they know how to allocate capital, how to diversify, how to reduce expenses. That's why the DMart consistently strive towards developing a deep understanding the customer needs and satisfying them with the right product. If you look at the business model, DMart is a value retailer. They sell their product at a very discounted price. Everyday low price, everyday low cost is the business model of DMart, which means you will get discount every day. You will get discount daily. As you know that some of the shopping malls, they keep discount on a particular day of the week, but DMart doesn't follow that strategy. Everyday low cost, everyday low price. This strategy is first followed and implemented by Walmart in USA. The same strategy is followed by DMart. That's why DMart is growing very faster. The DMart always focus on a higher sales, higher volumes. That's why they are able to make good profit. Why DMart can keep their price very low? The whichever product DMart sells from their stores, they buy in a bulk from supplier. Suppose if you want to buy single watch, you will be cost 1000 rupees per watch. But if you buy bulk, you will get around 600 to 700 rupees range. The DMart does same thing. DMart buys product for a cheaper price from the supplier and sells them cheaply to the customer. Most of the DMart products are used in a day-to-day life. They don't focus on a premium segment product. They focus on a middle class and lower middle class because most of the population in India within this category. How DMart expanded their business. When DMart was started in 2002, they only had 10 stores in first 8 years. It's not because they did not have investment, but they wanted to check whether this model will work or not, whether we are able to make the profit or not. Once they understood this model is working, we are able to make the profit, then they expanded their stores. They are present in many states, but they don't have much presence in north and east because VMart has strong presence over there. DMart owns their stores instead of leasing it because there is an increment in a lease every year. If you compare this with a Reliance Mart, they as they lease their stores. In 2016, the cost of leasing was 630 crore. So compared to Avenue Supermart, they have spent only 30 crore. You can see the difference. There is a 600 crore. Most of the retailer follow this strategy of leasing because if there is no sales, there is no business, they can easily close that store. But DMart did not use this strategy. Till today, they did not close a single store due to the lack of sales. The same strategy which is followed by McDonald. Nowadays, there is a crazy online shopping, but it did not impact DMart because so India is most of the populations with a middle class and lower middle class. They don't want to buy online. They want discount. That's why it did not impacted DMart too much. If you look at the revenue breakups, the from the food segment, DMart earns 57.4 percentage. Merchandise and apparel segment, DMart earns 19.7 percentage. Non-food FMCG product, 22.9 percentage. If you look at the DMart growth story, so in 2002 and 2003, DMart had only one store in Maharashtra. In 2015 and 16, DMart has 110 stores. In 2020 and 21, they have 234 stores. 21-22, they have 284 stores across the India. If you look at the DMart store addition year on year, 2017 21 stores, 2018 24 stores, 2019 21 stores, 2020 38 stores, 2021 22 stores, 2022 50 stores. Year on year, consistently they have been increasing the stores. If you look at the some of the success strategies of DMart, zero frills, bulk purchase, limited product category, direct to customer, low operating cost, ownership of the retail space, quick inventory turnover, less spending on advertisement. If you look at the shareholding pattern, promoters, they have shareholding of 74.99 percentage. FIS, foreign portfolio investors, they have shareholding of 8.9%, 59 percentage. Domestic institutional investors, they have shareholding of 6.88 percentage. If you look at the profits have been increasing consistently. In 2018, 787 crore. In 2019, 902 crore. In 2020, 1300 crore. 2021, there is a sharp fall in the profit because of COVID. Again, profit have been increasing consistently. If you look at the stock price has been growing consistently. The stock had their IPO in 2017. So from there to till now, stock has been growing consistently. So if you look at the financials, it's a large cap company. The currently stock has a P of 140, which is neither expensive nor discount. If you look at the future is very bright. The consumption is the biggest growth driver for retail industry. There is no recession in retail industry. Increase in a working population, increase in a demand, increase in a per capita income, increase in a household consumption, improvement in a standard of living. They are more focusing on a middle class and lower middle class people. They are targeting on a mass customer, higher focus on a sales and higher volumes. Overall, DMart has higher growth potential. If you want to conclude, overall, if you conclude, DMart has an excellence business and its management, strong competitive advantage, good financial, bright future, bright growth prospect, which makes DMart is a fundamentally strong company. Please make note that this video is only for a long-term investor. This is not a buy and sell tips. If you want to learn more about investment, you can explore my online course. Thank you.